My Living World, G-Science, Chapter 1, My Body, Question and Answer. A. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Windpipe connects nose to the desk in mammals. Answer, lungs. Question number 2. Of the two jaws, only the desk jaw moves. Answer, lower. Question number 3. The backbone protects the deaf. Answer, spinal cord. Question number 4. Fish can fill waves with the help of the desk. Answer, lateral line. Question number 5. Snakes uses its desk to touch and smell objects. Answer, tongue. Question number 6. Eye is connected to the brain by the desk nerve. Answer, optic. B. Match the following: elbow, wrist, hip, femur, skull. Longest bone, 8 flat bones, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, grinding joint. Elbow, hinge joint. Wrist, grinding joint. Hip, ball and socket joint. Femur, longest bone. Skull, 8 flat bones. C. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. The hinge joint in the shoulder is an example of a. Answer, ball and socket joint. Question number 2. The framework of bones that protects our heart and lungs is known as the. Answer, rib cage. Question number 3. Light enters the eyes through the. Answer, pupil. Question number 4. The part of the ear which helps in maintaining balance of our body is. Answer, inner ear. D. Answer the following in brief. Question number 1. What is breathing? Answer, breathing is a process by which we breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Question number 2. How are 4 limbs connected to the spine? Answer, the 4 limbs are joined to the spine by the shoulder, girdle and collarbones. Question number 3. State the importance of rib cage in our body. Answer, the rib cage protects the internal delicate organs like heart and lungs. Question number 4. Name the main parts of the skeleton. Answer, the main parts of the skeleton are skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs. Question number 5. State the role of inner ear in the process of hearing. Answer, the inner ear helps us to hear and maintain the balance of our body. Question number 6. How does a snake detect the presence of an enemy or a prey? Answer, a snake detects the presence of enemy or a prey through its skin. E. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do bones have joints? Answer, joints are the place where 2 bones meet. They make the skeleton flexible. Joints allow our body to move in many ways. Question number 2. Why is our backbone made up of many small vertebrae instead of having one straight long road? Answer. The small buttock will give flexibility to our back so that we will be able to bend forward or backward. Question number 3. Why is bone marrow known as the factory of making blood cells? Answer. Bone marrow is known as the factory for making blood cells because blood cells are manufactured inside the bone marrow. Question number 4. How does a ball and socket joint works? Answer. In ball and socket joint, one bone which has a ball-like ends fits into hollow socket of another bone. Example, hip and shoulder joint. Question number 5. Dogs and bats are also mammals like us. How does our sense of smell compare with that of a dog and our sense of hearing with that of bat? Answer. Dogs have a very well developed sense of smell as compared to human beings, whereas bats have a special power to hear high-pitched sound which help them to detect their prey easily in the dark. Question number 6. Do you breathe even when we are sleeping? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, we breathe even when we are sleeping because breathing takes place continuously in all living beings. All living beings would die if breathing stops, even for 2 minutes.